everything that I've ever wanted to wear, pretty much.
Wow, I love that. And you're going to be wearing this out on the runway tonight?
Yes, I am.
Ooh, I can't wait to see it.
Thank you.
Can you give us your socials?
At Billy Joe Crystal on Instagram. That's Billy with an I-E and Crystal with a K. And just Billy Crystal on TikTok.
All right, thanks, Crystal. Oh, all right. All right. So, can you tell us about your designs, the name, your name, and all of that?
So my name is Shanice McKenzie, and my husband is actually the designer. His name is Kenzo. Hi, Kenzo. I'm the stylist behind the brand. I like to say that I'm also the moose behind the brand. My husband is just, oh my God, he's so funny. He makes me laugh. And other things.
It's safe to bring a handsome guy with so many beautiful girls.
Absolutely. Oh my God, it keeps me in check 1,000%.
Well, when you look like this, you really don't have to worry, honestly.
Exactly. You're beautiful.
My expectations for the show, I do believe that it's going to be full of vibrant collections, such as my husband's and other designers as well. Oh my God, please.
Ask you some questions. What's going on? About who? Mono? I love his name. We can call it anything. Monolorosaurus. We can make things up. I love it. And he's actually the reason I'm here today. You know what I'm saying? Mono hit me up, and Mono says it's pretty much law. It's in the Bible, so you know. Mono, where's Mono at? Let's get this heart and let's get.
All right, we're talking about youth production we have going on tonight. All right, come on in. All right, man, I'll come on in.
Hi. Thank you, everybody, for coming. I'm excited.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited, yeah.
All right.
We got Kelly here. Any surprises? You never know. I can't tell you now. Then it won't be a surprise.
Big surprise. Anything that you can give away to the audience about the show?
We're going to have some giveaways. We're going to have 3 giveaway contests, so make sure you call for your name and everything. We got some stuff in the works, a lot of collabs in the works. We got something coming out with him, a nice, for the winner, jacket that we're working on. Mano and inside.
And then can you give us your social media?
Mano Agency on IG, Mano Agency NY, and that would be my business page. MANO space AGENCY space NY.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
That's
The TV producer.
So,
Which is so far your favorite look?
my favorite look? Definitely that young lady with that evening gown. Amazing.
What's your social media?
Oh, J. Antonio, snapper caps.
Francesca Fontanez.
Yep.
Look like this. Yes. But just to talk about the PR.
Talk about?
What do you do?
I'm a social media editor at NPR in Connecticut.
Okay. What?
Well, today's story is a little bit different because we have a lot of really fabulous designs coming out on the runway today. I've heard we've got some giveaways coming up, which is really exciting. Top 3 best dressed, if I remember correctly. So we've got a jacket coming out from side. We have a couple of giveaways. We have hors d'oeuvres happening right now as the models are getting suited up and getting ready to walk. And there's a lot of exciting things coming up for people to catch.
What about you? Why do you like fashion?
Oh, me personally. I think that a lot of the time people struggle to express themselves. So any creative outlet that they can find, whether it be fashion, whether it be music, whether it be art, people come together. And fashion especially, you see these bright colors, you see these designs, you've never seen anything like it before. It excites people. It gives them a reason to leave their house. It gives them a reason to live, essentially. It's a phenomenal career. It's a phenomenal niche, and it's only growing to be more inclusive and better for everyone involved.
What about the PR? about the NPR?
NPR? It's a publicly funded radio station. There are a couple of conglomerates around the country. We focus on people-based stories and telling truth, facts. We inspire people. We look for the curious. We look for anyone who wants to stay informed and wants to stay in touch with not only their local community, but the community at large.
Anything special about the NPR that other stations don't do? What are you known for?
NPR is known for the fact that we are publicly funded. So other stations, I'm not going to name drop, but other stations that are funded by, say, the government, or they're funded by a certain group of people who are looking for a certain angle, we don't have that problem. So if we report a story on the governor and they say, hey, that's a glowing article, he looks like he's really doing a good job, why did they do that? It's just the facts. We also report when he screws up. We also report anything that people need to know without swaying and kind of leaning to either side based on money. We're 100% a nonprofit, completely based on people's contributions, and that's what makes us different.
What's your social media? What's your plugin?
You can find me at East Side Vibes, East_Side_Vibes on all socials. Find me on TikTok mostly.
Hey, what's up, everybody? We have some amazing photographers here capturing the whole night. We got some videographers. We have all of you beautiful people. We have some amazing recording artists performing tonight. We got some models, of course. We got some, stylists, of course. Is anybody excited to be here? I just want to hear a little bit of excitement, a little bit of noise. Everybody had to cross the river to get here unless you live in the insane asylum. So you cross the river to get here, you might as well have a good time. Make some noise for yourself one more time. I got my man Mano in the house. Mano. Does anybody know who's in the show? Anybody know someone who's in the show? You got a friend here, a cousin, a sister, a brother, an ex-boyfriend. We don't get too drama, but All right, so I'm gonna get right into the show. My name is Bijan once again, but I'm here to introduce your first performer of the evening. He's an amazing guy. He's got a #1 hit single called Yalla Habibi. It's got over 1 million streams on Spotify. He's killing it, performing all over the world. Please put your hands together for my boy, NADR in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. About to perform Yalla Habibi, #1 hit single. Let's go!
I figured that.